Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Designer Dollar. I am Kazi Faiz Ahmed Jim. So today I am going to show you, and you can also assume it, how to import the customize or the custom LUTs of Adobe Premiere Pro that you have bought or you have downloaded from other third-party websites. So let's check it out. And if you're new in my channel, so definitely consider subscribing and let me know and write down in the comment section that what you want to see or what you want to learn from me in future videos. So let's get started. So first of all, I have to go the Premiere Labs folder that I have downloaded or I have bought from another or various kinds of free websites or premium websites. So this is the LUTs. One thing I would like to mention that if you want to download or if you want to buy these LUTs from me, if you definitely you can write down in the comment section or you can message me in my Facebook page, or definitely you can also write or also connect with me by the Instagram ID. My ID link I will provide in the description, so you can check it out. So Control A, select all, then copy it and go to this PC, then go to the local disk C, the hard drive folder. Then you have to go the program files. Okay, the program files, then Adobe Premiere. So Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. So I am using the latest version of Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you are in the old version or the previous version or in the future version, it will not disturb you. You can also do it or also import the custom LUTs in just like this tutorial and just like this method. So go to the Adobe Premiere Pro 2020, then you have to go the Lumetri. Yes, this is the folder Lumetri. You have to go the LUTs, first of all LUTs, then create it, the file, then you can paste it here, and it will take some time. You have to wait for them. Yes, you can see that the LUTs are completely and properly installed in my PC. So you can check it out after clicking the Adobe Premiere Pro software. So you can you have to definitely check it out. And this is these are the LUTs, the premium LUTs are installed in my PC. Okay, so close it down. And again, this is one of the basic video that I have recently looked out after I launched it. So wait for till then. Okay, now go to the color Lumetri color section. Before that, you have to go to the color, and if you don't see this tab in here, then you can go to the window, then color. Okay, the Lumetri color, you can write it down. Okay, fine. Then go to the basic collection. You should look this type of environment or interface. So go to the creative, then go to the look. After going this look, you can see the ton of LUTs in here. All the LUTs are here. You can definitely check it out, and it should looks like this. So grab one of them, then you can first click on the adjustment layer or the video layer, then click on that, and you can see the colors, the LUTs, whatever you would like to call. So this is the method of doing the color correction. So if you want to install in your PC the custom LUTs, so you can definitely follow up these techniques and go to the local drive, and you are good to go. So this is the video, this is the tutorial. Definitely I hope that you have enjoyed this video and learned a new thing. Okay, if so, then definitely hit the like button and write down in the comment section whatever what you would like to see, or you would like to learn from me in the next future videos. Okay, then by then, Allah Hafiz.
Got me going all crazy and